This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: a Google account and a rough puzzle order. Begin by creating a new form and naming it for the escape room. This sets the theme and URLs. Next, add a short answer question for the first puzzle and restrict answers by response validation. This enforces exact matches. Upload any required image or audio to the question. Once done, link the form to a Google Sheet so you can track attempts and trigger automations later. Now construct the middle flow. Create a section for each puzzle and use the go-to section based on answer or response validation to gate progress. For complex checks, employ regular expression validation or multiple choice grids that only allow the correct path. Add visual or audio clues inside sections for variety. To automate hints, timing, or reveal codes, open extensions, write Arrow Apps script, and write small functions that read the linked sheet and update form items or send emails. This gives you dynamic control over. Finalize by thoroughly playtesting the escape room as a player, checking every branch and timing element. You should test with different accounts and devices. Watch the linked sheet for malformed answers and unexpected navigation. If players bypass steps, make sure validations are strict or normalize inputs with apps script before checking. Once stable, set release controls and add a single troubleshooting hint. If branching breaks, duplicate the broken section and repoint the previous go-to choice. That often resolves corrupted routing without rebuilding the form.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.